Hi guys, so remember back in January 2024 I posted a video using Philips hair straightener brush. In that video my hair went straight so easily and I got a lot of mixed comments. Some of you loved it, but some of you also said that you wasted your money. Honestly, I was feeling extremely guilty, as if because of me your money got wasted, because I think a lot of people bought that straightener watching my video. So this time I thought I'll make a detailed video on it so that you can take informed decision. And right now my hair is more frizzy than how it was before, so I thought it's the perfect time to put it to test again, and here we are. First, I want to clarify something about the previous video. Number one, it was winters, and number two, I had done keratin treatment just about 3-4 months before shooting that video. My hair was relatively smooth, so naturally the straightener brush worked slightly better on my hair than how it would on frizzy hair. But now things are different. It's been over a year since I've done keratin or Botox on my hair. In fact, I think it's been 1.5 years. My hair is back to its natural frizzy state. So this was the perfect time to put it on test. See, I shampooed my hair this morning. It's fully dry now and extremely frizzy. This is my actual hair texture without any treatment, but also I'm using dandruff shampoo at this moment, so it's extra frizzy. But yeah, I don't have silky smooth hair. I have somewhat wavy and slightly frizzy hair. So I started using the brush and I could see my hair getting straighter. The frizz started calming down. But here's the important part. It does not give you the poker straight finish you get from a regular straightener. थोड़ा बहुत frizz दिखेगा ही दिखेगा. If you have slightly wavy or mildly frizzy hair, you will love the results. But if you have very frizzy, especially extremely curly hair, you might not like it at all, because sometimes instead of looking sleeker, your hair can actually puff up and look bigger in volume. In Hindi we say baal phool chate hain. So instead of a smooth look, you might end up with hair that looks even more voluminous. Here's a side-by-side comparison. This is before and this is after. You can clearly see my hair looks much neater and softer, but not perfectly straight. One more thing I noticed, it gets really hot. I honestly thought since it's a brush, it might be gentler, but the heat feels very similar to a straightener. So here's my final verdict. If you have extremely curly or frizzy hair, this hair straightener brush is not for you. Like, it cannot replace your regular straightener for sure. In fact, if your hair is extremely frizzy and curly, then this hair straightener brush might make it look puffy and might not look manageable or give that sleek look at all. But for people who have slightly frizzy hair or wavy hair, this is such an amazing product. But I would call it an emergency fix. When you are running late, you have just 3-4 minutes to do your hair, then this is the best investment you can do. In just 3-4 minutes, you can make your hair look little frizz-free and presentable. Not really frizz-free, but let's say less frizzy. Almost like you had a light blow dry. For me personally, it's worth investing as a backup tool. Sometimes I have to rush and this is a lifesaver. In fact, the next day after using this hair straightener brush, like recently 2-3 days ago when I was shooting for this video, my hairstylist came for hair curl and he told me your hair looks like you have slightly blow dried, and that's a win for me. Means he could see that my hair is looking slightly less frizzy. So yeah, I think this works. So yes, in today's fast-paced world, if you have budget to invest in an extra hair tool, like apart from your regular straightener, curler, you can invest in a hair straightener brush. It's worth it. Just know what to expect according to your hair type. I hope this video clears all your doubts. Let me know your thoughts and questions in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews. I'll see you in my next video.